I would try not to.
Try not.
Try.
This is hard.
Because
I can't
just
give
tell
a
me the name.
situation. I can't give a situation.
Just tell me the name.
Aminin mo na sa coconut.
I don't know anything about the coconut. That's wrong. Maybe he knows.
Hindi ikaw yun?
I don't know. Tell me nga
Like,
who's the girl?
okay, so ganito.
Just tell me who's the girl.
Ganito.
Why would you tell me who's the girl?
Alam ko.
Uh-huh.
Ako to. This is
Ikaw? Oh, you ate coconut? Then you're
I did it!
Then you're asking me to...
Wala! It's not me! But I'm just saying that it's me. I mean, it's me! Labo! I'm just saying that it's me for example. Kuya, nahihirapan ako. Paano kaya?
Who ate the coconut?
Ito lang, for me, it's like...
Just tell me who ate the coconut!
Bumili kayo ng coconut.
No, who
Diba?
ate the coconut?
Kayo.
No?
Lahat ng boys.
No? No!
Like, sa konsensya mo.
Just tell me who girl ate the chocolate.
Bakit?
Because I want to know.
Bakit?
So I would ask them. Just tell me. Nice talking.
Kasi ano eh.
Just tell me.
Ayaw mo aminin.
Just tell me.
Ay!
Tell me who ate the chocolate. Wait. I'll remove my shoes. My stinky shoes.
Aminin mo na.
Who ate the chocolate? I don't even know who ate
Hindi,
chocolate.
like for me lang kasi, what I'm
Just
talking about.
why do you keep on changing the topic? Tell me who ate the
I'm
chocolate.
talking about
Blah 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 blah
budget.
blah. Who ate the chocolate?
Wala lang. Maybe it's just 50 pesos.
Who ate the chocolate?
But yan yung topic mo. Why
Because
not?
I want to know.
Why are you looking at something so insignificant? Let's go back to the general topic.
No, that's
What
insignificant.
is-
This is the general topic. Who ate the chocolate? It's about the chocolate.
Kayo na
No.
malalaki kayo.
No.
Kumain ka na.
No. No nga, ang kulit.
You are crossing your toes.
No, I can't even cross my toes. What's wrong with you?
Alam ko ng story. I already talked to almost all the boys.
I didn't eat any chocolate.
Ikaw?
I didn't eat.
So, yung ibang boys lang.
I don't know. I didn't even know there was a chocolate. Kasi si Roy nag-hatid ng ng grocery list. And you can even ask her that. I didn't put any chocolate.
I already talked to almost all the boys. I already talked to Alec. Nag-amin na siya. I talked to...
Then who was the girl?
Nag-amin na siya. I talked to Tom.
Then
Nag-amin na siya.
Then who was the girl?
There's no such... There's no...
I didn't know anything about the chocolate.
So, hindi ikaw yung nag-ano.
Then who the girl ate the chocolate?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Dapat alam mo to.
I don't know. Maybe they're even hiding chocolate from me.
Nakakain ka ba? Aminin mo. Hindi.
No nga, why don't you believe me?
Kasi sabi ng halos lahat kayo.
Halos.
Hindi, lahat talaga kayo.
No.
So, they told me nung first time nila na ginawa, lahat kayo except si Ives.
No.
Kasi tulog na si Ives.
No.
Ikaw, hindi mo rin.
No.
Ano?
I was sleeping.
You were
Then I
sleeping.
saw chocolate wrappers.
Tapos?
I don't know.
Tapos nung second time was like 3 days ago.
No. No. Sino nga yung babae kumain ng chocolate?
Hindi ko alam.
Bullshit.
Bakit?
Shih
Hindi ko
Tzu.
alam.
Bullshit. Dog Shih Tzu. Liar.
Okay.
You're such a liar.
Okay, si Karen. Tapos yung...
Okay, now that you're not lying.
Yung second is...
Okay, now that...
Wait lang. Si Karen, tapos yung second is... Binigyan...
Tawag siya na.
Ako? Ngayon?
Sandali.
Tapos yung second was...
Faster.
Binigyan ako ni Ibes ng isang chocobar, tapos lahat kami na girls naghati-hati.
Okay,
Isang ganyan.
now that you're not lying, I ate chocolate.
I hate you, Kit. Kakausapin kita, papatayin ko konsensya mo namin.
Because you're lying. How do you expect me to not lie?
Ay, ang sakit. Hoy! Ay!
Try, practice natin yung ano. Sa'yo, mamaya.
Wala, pizza. Scrolling through
Best pala
myself.
tayo. Mahirap to. Try ko
For
lang.
the 20th time today.
Kaya man, kulang yan.
Reading the text you sent me again. And I never in the way. Yo! What's up, homie?
Yung ano, yung sa Girls Pride, sa Spotlight. To, parang... Ewan ko.
Ang pangit lang yan, kinat ko sa akin. Dapat pala yung doon ako banda sa ano. Bakit nakikinig ka pa? Matatapos na ka.
Skip mo pala.
Ha?
Skip mo.
Eh, wala ka saan? Kaya ako maglalagay.
Ako maglalagay.
Wala.
Ako magsusugat. Sige na.
Ang hirap yan.
Sobrang
Ang sakit sa ano? Ang sakit sa daliri. Saan? Yan.
Na ano, you got used kasi to that guitar. Kaya mahirap.
Pareho lang.
Parang wala lang kasi kami dito. String lang.
Wala lang yung isa. Pahit lang kasi walang isang string.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Daily been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. Hindi love to light up shadows on your face.
Yung last part lang mo yun.
The wave shall fall and fall upon us. The street of silver snow, get on your own. Paano yung ano, strumming nun, Beth?
Ganun din sa ano, sa
Ganda mo sa
menu.
pakyan.
Pero mas matagal lang.
Yak, may ano.
Ano nga yung where?
Joke lang, naniwala ka naman.
Yan, kadiri ka. Could you
Siya ako naman.
Oo nga, no?
Okay lang.
Yung ano, alam mo yung elephant.
Kasi ka man?
Ito tayo.
Ano?
Lahat ng kakilala mo sa buhay.